Password Keeper Module 2 Company Form. In this video, we will be updating the company form, add a company subform, and work on the code behind for two forms. Let's start coding. Alright, let's go to our folder. Go to C drive, access projects. This is in the password keeper. Let's go in there. You know what? I'm gonna make another folder here. It might get too long. We are going to call this module 1 and move this guy in there. There you go. That way it doesn't get too cluttered. And then we're gonna make a copy of this guy. 2. Let's go in there, open it up. Alright, last time we did this. Today we are going to massage this a little bit here. Alright, so yeah, so let's open up. So open the company in design view. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what this is. We might not need all this. I am going to change the slogan to URL. We don't need a slogan here. Let's make a copy of that. Remove slogan. Delete. Yep. I am going to remove the image. We're not going to worry about the image. Delete. Remember the two fields that you remove. Alright, I think that's good enough. Alright, let's go to company class module here. Let's modify that. There is a slogan we need to remove. There is an image we need to remove. Also down here, image file and slogan. Let's remove those two guys. Alright, yeah, same way. We don't need that. We just need a copy. Save. That's all we need. We don't need the whole thing. Alright, so let's get back to the company here. There are also set here that we need to remove as well. Right there. And save. Let's see, where's the save? Right here. There. That looks good. Good. Also in the code behind here, right here, there's a set in here. Right here, slogan and image. We're gonna move one, but let me see. I'll go ahead and close that out. Now we're done with that. We're gonna change the slogan. We removed that guy already. This will be all URL, and let's change that to company URL, txt, company URL. We don't need this guy. Let's see, before we do that, this guy right here is upload image. So let's go in there. We need to remove that event. We'll remove the event. All right. And now we can come to the front end. We can remove that now. Now that is the box. We don't need a box. That's the image. We don't need an image. Image directory. We don't need image directory. So we remove a whole lot of stuff. We're going to have to come back in here and try to remove a whole bunch of stuff as well. I'm going to Control F, IMG. That's IMG here. See there? See there? We're going to remove that. Now, if you want to know how to import and export the image, watch previous videos. All right, there is a video that's dedicated for imaging. But in here, we're not concerned. We're just going to company URL. We are just going to make it simple. And here, right here, display footer. We don't have this guy, so we're going to remove this guy as well. But right now, I'm just going to find out. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to double click on that forms. Control F. We're going to look for forms. All right. So we're going to remove this guy there. Okay, good. That's only one place. All right. What else do we need to remove? File path. Yes. So we can find file. Let's see if we find it. There you go. See image file. Oh, it's called image. So remove that, but company URL. Remember, we're going to replace that guy. Let's go ahead and replace that guy. Company URL. Let's see where else. There you go. See, there's another one right here. Go ahead and remove that. Change the slogan to company URL. That's all you need to do. Actually, this one is different. If it's no, then we want the message to, I'm going to copy this guy right there and replace it. If it's no, we want that and say URL. Actually, that comes after the this. It doesn't matter. I just want to be just a tad technical. Let's see where else we find file. Oh, there you go. There you go. The log. All right. So we're gonna remove log image file path and replace the slogan with the company URL. Right there. There. All right. Let's find some more. So that's what you do. You do Control F. And that search box comes up, and you can just start looking for the item that you're looking for. Oh, right here. We don't have that anymore. All right, so we're gonna remove that guy. Done. All right. So what else did we remove? Um, what else did we remove? I think we did that. I think that's it. I think we did it. All right. Let's see if we can compile this. Perfect. All right. So that's it. All right. Let's make this guy a pop-up. Add model. That way we can be sitting on that guy forever. All right. Let's try to see if this run. Oh, what is that? Ah, yeah. That's right. That's right. That is right. Okay. Let's stop that. So what happened there in the CMS? We always get the first items here. All right. So we are. Oops. Let's try that one again. Before we display here, display company here, we say if not is no company ID, then like so. Like so. All right. All right. Let's try that again. We didn't do a whole lot. If we put this one from the CMS, we shouldn't have to modify too much because that thing already worked. You see. There you go. Pretty good. Now, how do you add that thing? We don't see the add button. The add button disappeared on us. Huh. Yeah, we gotta be able to add. So something's not making it add. Um, let's go right here. Here, display custom. Yeah, right here. Hold on, let's look at the. Oh, that's weird. So it should be cancelled. Add is true. If add is, yeah, this is default. Did you log? Let's try that again. Maybe we just did it out here. Yeah, let's try that. There you go, that's better. So if we add cancel, cancel should lock that guy. So let's look at that. Now that's weird. So right here I should lock. Huh. Add, cancel. That's better. That's what we want. So how are we going to get to this screen? That's the question. How are you going to get to this screen? Um, I'm thinking out loud here. How are we going to get to this screen? Okay, I have an idea. Maybe we'll get a list of companies down here as a subform, or here to the right. Or just move this guy over here and have a search text right here. That's a good idea. I like that. I really like that. There you go. So I'm going to close this out. All right. So now let's go to our CMS. See, this is what we do. We recognize what we can grab from the previous applications and just just pull it over. I think around 22. I think that's good enough right there. In here, we need a couple of things. We are going to need the there is a customer subform. So it would be right there, that guy. We need that guy. That is the search list. And we are going to need the reporting. In the reporting, there is a search. All right. Yeah, there's a search function there. Also, there's a general from my memory. Is there a general here? Is there a general? No, there's no general. I thought we had a general function in here. Well, we'll find out, won't we? All right, that's for now. Let's grab those two guys. So let's look at this reporting. There's a search text header, get header, search text. Oh, yeah. You know what? We might have added that later. Anyways, that's okay. In this module, in this reporting, we're going to add the function. We're going to call this private function. Yeah, let's make a private sub. Private function. Format. I think there was a apostrophe that we I think that's like that. That we a string that we fixed. All right. So in here, all we had to do was copy this guy equals replace as text. Anytime we see a single quote, we want to double it up. That's it. And that will come in here like so. Just like that. Good. Now we fix the apostrophe. And let's go look at the subform here. This subform requires the query list, company list. That's what I was thinking. There's another one I thought. So let's go grab that guy too. All right. In here, query customer list. Right there, that guy. Good. Now let's go in there because we remove a couple of them. Oh, we don't have a header. Okay, we're gonna remove the header. Huh, that's weird. Oh well. You know what? Let's remove that. We're gonna get a new one. We're gonna create a new one. Actually, you know what? Actually, let's do this. I think it needs that. Okay. Company. There. I think that's what it needs. Alright. So we are going to grab everybody in here. And then we're gonna have a search text. Remember there's a search text in here. I'm gonna move this guy down a little bit. Alright. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go to Zoom. That's a search text. Alright, let's call search text. We want company name. We want company name. We want city. We want how about company URL? Company URL. We also want to format this city state, make it a location. So let's go in there. City state. City. We'll put a comma there in front. And state, province. And yeah, let's move one more notch. I'm gonna move this guy to right there. Alright, Control S. And I'm gonna go in there, remove that dot. See right here? Asterisk, not a dot, asterisk. Alright. Let's take a look. Good. Perfect. Good, good, good. Greensboro, North Carolina. Good. Alright. That's what we have. Okay. So now we can come in here. We're gonna fix this guy right here. That would be our company. And we don't have this guy. We're gonna remove that. We have company name. City state. Good. It works out. Oops. Just like that. Okay, now we need to fix the query form design. Let's go to the view in here. Oh, we need to rename the customer list to company list. Let's do that. Rename. Company list. Change it to company list. and I'm going to copy that guy. Copy, replace this guy. Number of records. Is there one number of records in the reporting? Yep. Oh, good. Good, good, good. There. Change that. Change that. Change companies. Or you could just empty it out. And this guy right here, we want to be able to use this subform at two places. We want to be able to use this form at two places. This form, one for the customer, for the company, another one for password. So we got to come up with ways to do this guy right here. So what we want is to be able to reuse the this form in the password form that we'll be creating. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to add remove that. I'm going to make this guy as source. Alright, and here I'm going to form I think I can do this. I think I can do that. We'll find out, won't we? I think I can do that. Like so. Alright. Yeah, I think I can do that. Now the refresh form is right there. There. And if we do click, it's going to go there. Okay, that looks good right there. We don't have company number, but we have, let's change this. This is city state. So let's get back in there. This would be city state, like so. Alright. Well, it looks good to me. It looks good to me. What do you think? What do you think? Well, it says customer here. It should be, yeah, you know what? It's not a customer, it's a company ID. Let's change that. I'm gonna copy that. Put right there. Yeah, things like this, you just have to, you know, display customer. That would be the company. Like so. And yeah, company ID, like so. Well, that looks good to me. That looks good to me. Alright, and I'm gonna make this guy hidden, not visible. And let me show you. When this guy opens, as soon as this guy opens, I'm going to move this guy to here. I'm going to move this guy down just a tad. And then I'm going to go ahead and move this guy over. Right about there. And it looks like I'm going to have to move this guy back to where it was, or a little further out there. Let's make this guy there, and anchor stretch down, maybe right about there for now. Let's start. That looks good right there. And now I can go back to this form design. On form open, I'm going to say me s form customer. Oh, let's change that to let's change that customer to company. Let's change this guy to rename. And then back to here. And I'm going to copy that there. Let's get back to here. Form text source equals company. Like so. Alright. So what's happening here, this source right here, just to explain to you, see this guy right here, that source is going to display this guy. It's just going to call this guy display right here. This is call this guy. That's what it's trying to do. Alright, so that's that. And when you save, looking for save, where's the save? Record save right here. Once it's saved, we want to requery. We want form refresh. Form. I think there's a refresh form in here. Yeah, right here. The same one. Then refresh form right here. Alright. So once this company is saved, we want to refresh that form. Okay. Let's put it to a test. Good. Okay. Something is null. Okay. Good. We get to debug. So it just came in here. All right, so let's try that. Click. See there? Good. Now deselect that. I'm gonna F8. See what's going on right here. So he's doing what we are after. So we're just going to click, and something is no in here. So I want to find out what's going on. That's good. That's good. Good. Might be this guy. Yeah, URL. So we're gonna say, see there? Just in case. Just in case. Alright, continue. It should display. Perfect. Good. There you go. One company found. Good. We're looking good. Let's add new one. Oh, that should clear. Cancel. So when we add, what the heck? What the heck? Let me see right here. Company, previous is new, set control. So now we're looking for adding new, unlock, all right here. I think there's something in there. Let's go in there. Right there. Unlock. There's no clear. There's no clear button. Oh, you know what? I think we remove top portion on the unlock. Oh no, this is company. That's right. That's right. Okay, good. Good. I understand now. The company in the CMS, we can only have one. So here we want to say clear text boxes. All right. Yes. There. And then we're going to say YouTube. No address. Okay. So in the validation here, we need to make sure that the validation doesn't, yeah, that's all right. Company name, yeah, you know what? Let's do this. Actually, we're going to remove all this except the company. All right, because if it's a website, you don't know the address. Do you mind? No. Now, in the set here, all you have to do is do like so. All right. Remember, we're not gonna validate the rest of the entries. Just in case it's a website, you don't want to go back and start looking for, the address to be entered. All right. So we're just going to say, okay, just give, if it's no, just give me the blank line. That's it. That's it. The empty space. All right. So save. Okay. Good. Now we're getting somewhere. Right here. Let's go into this class module. This right here. Let's yeah. Good. Identification, get quit. There you go. All right, cancel. Now, um, now, good. We are looking good. We're getting close. So now, when we said add, anytime we clear, actually, you know what? Let's do that. I'm gonna remove that. We're gonna do all module right here on unlock. Remember how we did that? We validate if me text is new, then remember this. Then we want to say, and then we want to say call clear text, and then we'll say, set all company equals new company. That's it. Once we got the new company, we can say text company ID equals company there. Now I bet you we're gonna get something there. I bet you we're gonna get something there. So add new. There you go. Good. So that will be our new ID. Now let's save. You know what? If it's new, let's make that company name set focus. Or does it have a set focus? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Set focus down there. Okay, that's fine. That's good. That's good. All right, let's continue. So we'll say YouTube. Save. Look at that. There you go. That's what we want. That's exactly what we want. All right. Let's add a new one. How about Microsoft? And let's add URL. Microsoft.com. Save. And then let's edit this guy. www.youtube.com. Save. We've got space here. See there? I don't like that space right there. So here we're going to change to URL. All right, we're going to change that to URL. Let's continue. Let's close that out. We're getting close. We are getting very close. Let's change that to URL. Right there. All right. And then we're going to go in here. We're going to fix this guy right here. Company URL. Good. So that's looking right. Okay. Now one thing that we have to do here, we need to add a search text here. We need to have search text there. So if you notice, yeah, if you look back at our application here, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna show you. Just one of these guys, doesn't matter where. Let's go in there. I want to show you in the, see there, search text right there, right there. So these are the search text. So if you go in one of these guys, all right, even customer here, there's a search text there. I'm going to copy that. And then there's on click event, on change event right here. Let's take a look at that. See, all you have to do is just call this guy and then refresh. You see there? You see there? So I made a copy of that guy. I'm going to come in here, put that booger in there, move it down just a tad. Actually, that's good enough. Actually, right there. There. And now this one on change. On change. Right there, you put it on the bottom. We want to say call reporting. Keystroke me search text. You see there? And then we want to say me. You see right here? Me form refresh, like so. That's all there is to it. All right, and we'll say thank you. Look at that. Yep, and we'll say thank you. We'll close it out. And we're back to where we are at. All right, so let's close that and reopen. Let's see if we say Microsoft. Look at that. Look at that. YouTube. See that? Everything works the same way. Lotus. Good. So that's good. That's to it. That's not that big a deal. All right. That's not that big a deal. So I'm gonna update this Lotus. So URL here say dot Lotus. How about the Lotus organic.com. Save. Everything works as expected. That's it. That's it. All right. So I'm going to dress this up just a tad. All right. I'm just going to dress this up just a tad. So how okay, I'm going to need to move this down. Yeah. Let's dress this up. Just make it a little nicer and enticing, like so. Right there. Looks right there. All right. Control S, close. There's one more place I want to make adjustment. In these right here, I'm just going to move this booger to the right just a tad, away from that wall, like so. I think that looks good. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Look at that. Nice. You know what? That line is right on the edge. We don't like that. We don't like that. And let's see. Okay. We know what to do. Let's go in here. We know exactly what to do. Move this guy right like so. Perfect, right there. Just it. Just one smidgen. Look at that. That line. Look at that. That border. You see that? Let's see if it stretches with us. Look at that. It stretches with us. So that's what you do. All right. So we got a company form. All right. Company form. And everything works. We did real minimal adjustment. All right, minimal adjustment. That's it. The next video we are going to add another form called password. All right, and it's going to look similar to this. It's going to look similar to this, but it won't have passwords down here. All right, list of passwords. Okay. All right, there you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.